Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a realistic mock-up of your screen in Figma, step by step. Whether you're designing a website, mobile app, or portfolio UI, this trick will help you present your design in a professional and eye-catching way. We'll go through everything from adding your screen inside a device frame, adjusting perspective and shadows, to exporting a final mock-up image that looks super clean. So, let's start the video and start creating some amazing mock-ups. Open browser and search Figma Community. Click on First Link. Search for Mockup as per you need, as I search iPhone Mockup. Select Paid plus Free drop-down and select Free, which help you to show you all free mockup.
There are a lot of mockups. Find the mockup which you like and click on it.
Click on Open in Figma. Mockup project will open in Figma. Then go to File and select Mockups. Here you can see Image Frame, where you can add your screen. Select Image Frame, expand it, select Image and delete. Here is Home Indicator. If you want to change color of it, you can change as per your choice. Open project of which you want to create mockup and select Screen. Then copy the screen using Ctrl+C command. Then paste it just below Home Indicator frame. Adjust the size of screen as per image frame. Here you can see our mockup. Click on Mockup Frame. Go to Side menu and scroll down, and here you can see Export option. Choose File Type, and then click on Export Mockup and save mockup. Open File Explorer and see your mockup. Hope you liked the video. Please like, share, and comment, and don't forget to subscribe the channel.